Napoleon Bonaparte was a famous French military leader and emperor who lived a long time ago. He was born on August 15, 1769, on the island of Corsica, which was a part of France. Napoleon came from a humble family, and his father had dreams of him becoming a military officer. As a young boy, Napoleon showed a keen interest in books and education. He attended a military school in France, where he quickly stood out for his intelligence and leadership skills. Despite facing financial difficulties, he excelled in his studies and graduated as a second lieutenant in the artillery. Napoleon's career took a significant turn during the French Revolution, a period of social and political upheaval in France. He embraced the revolutionary ideas and quickly rose through the ranks due to his military successes. In 1799, he staged a coup d'etat and became the first consul of France. Not satisfied with just being the first consul, Napoleon had grand ambitions. In 1804, he declared himself Emperor of the French, establishing a new French Empire. His rule marked a time of great change and conflict in Europe. One of Napoleon's most significant achievements was the Napoleonic Code, a set of laws that aimed to provide equal rights and justice for all citizens. However, his desire for power and conquest led to numerous military campaigns across Europe. One of his most famous campaigns was the Napoleonic Wars, a series of conflicts that lasted from 1803 to 1815. Napoleon's army achieved remarkable victories, and he expanded the French Empire to its largest extent. However, his luck eventually turned, and he faced defeats, most notably at the Battle of Leipzig in 1813. In 1814, with his forces weakened and facing opposition from other European nations, Napoleon abdicated and was exiled to the island of Elba. It seemed like the end of his era, but he managed to escape and return to France in 1815, a period known as the 100 Days. The culmination of Napoleon's career came at the Battle of Waterloo in 1815, where he faced the combined forces of the British and Prussian armies. Despite his tactical brilliance, he was defeated, marking the end of his rule. Napoleon was once again forced to abdicate, and this time he was exiled to the remote island of St. Helena. On St. Helena, Napoleon lived the remainder of his life in exile. He spent his time reflecting on his life, writing his memoirs, and maintaining correspondence with friends and supporters. In 1821, Napoleon Bonaparte died on the island, officially bringing an end to the remarkable and tumultuous journey of one of history's most iconic figures. Napoleon Bonaparte's legacy is complex. While he is remembered as a military genius and a reformer who introduced significant legal reforms, his desire for power and conquest caused immense suffering and loss of life. His impact on European history is undeniable, and even today historians continue to analyze and debate the significance of his actions and policies.